Legends of Learning presents the Lemonade Grandee 2 game. This is a math game that makes learning about the understanding of equivalent fractions fun and easy to understand.
Now, let's pick up a key near an item to
In this informative instructional game, Lemonade Grandee is a 3D cooking simulator set in a virtual kitchen environment where players explore and apply the concept of equivalent fractions to make lemonade. Players must move around the kitchen to find the right proportions of lemon juice and sugar to add to the water, creating the perfect lemonade. It's a fun and engaging way to learn about equivalent fractions while mastering the art of lemonade making.
Try making a lemonade with the updated recipe.
Use the W, A, S, and D keys to move around the kitchen and press the E key to pick up and use items in the kitchen. See if you can use the correct amounts of ingredients to make the perfect lemonade for your customers. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.